So, you've got a mechanical keyboard, and you're looking to give it a serious style upgrade without breaking the bank. This set of DSA Profile Sublimation PBT Keycaps from HFSCURITY might just be the ticket. They claim to be compatible with a whole host of popular keyboard layouts like the GH60, GK61, GK64, and even the 68, 84, and 96 key configurations, which is pretty impressive. The big draw here is the PBT material, known for its durability and resistance to shine compared to ABS keycaps. Plus, the sublimation process means the legends are deeply infused into the plastic, so they shouldn't wear off easily, even with heavy use. The DSA profile is a uniform height, meaning all the keycaps are the same shape and size. This can give your keyboard a really clean, minimalist aesthetic and a consistent typing feel across the board. It's a bit different from the sculpted profiles many are used to, so there might be a slight adjustment period, but many people find it incredibly comfortable once they get used to it. The black color is classic and versatile, letting your keyboard's backlighting shine through if you have it, or just providing a sleek, understated look. Installation is straightforward, assuming your keyboard uses Cherry MX-compatible switches, which is the standard for most mechanical keyboards these days. You just pop off your old keycaps and snap these on. It's a simple way to completely change the feel and look of your typing experience. While the package only includes the keycaps themselves, which is standard for this type of product, it's worth noting that you're getting a lot of bang for your buck in terms of material quality and compatibility. For anyone looking to personalize their mechanical keyboard with a durable and stylish set of keycaps, these DSA Sublimation PBT caps are definitely worth considering. They offer a solid upgrade that feels good and looks great.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.